Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share a really simple version of tortoise shell nails. No tools are involved, so they should be really quick and fun to do. I started with a sheer yellow, just one thin coat, and it doesn't have to be perfect at all. Dab on a brown jelly or a brown cream polish. If you don't have jellies, you could always mix similar colors with a clear polish. Or if you don't want the translucent quality, you could go with a beige or alternate colored base. Add some black, overlapping some of the previous color, then top it all off with a taupe jelly. This is the most important polish for this look. This one is optional, but to give the base more depth, add a few dots of an orange or a red jelly. Finally, go back in with a few more black spots on top to complete the layered look, then finish with a top coat. I really hope you all enjoy this design. Please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.